When it comes to gimbals, DJI has always been my go-to brand, and this one right here might be my favorite so far. This is the DJI RS 5, built for filmmakers and creators who want to bring their vision to life like never before. With the enhanced intelligent tracking module, a single gesture is all it takes. The gimbal handles the framing so you stay focused on the moment. The new stabilization algorithm delivers fluid movement even in demanding shots. The RS 5 supports up to 3 kg without compromising balance or performance. Balancing is faster than ever thanks to all-access fine-tuning knobs and Teflon coating.